everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some spring and Easter project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. You could find all these die sets at scrapdivadesigns.com or simply just clicked on my affiliated link down in the description below. You could also get a 10% discount using my discount code prisgemic10 for 10% off your entire purchase. It excludes bundles and anything that's on sale. So yeah, let's get started. So first up we have these ones that are called flower nesting set. There's a small size and a larger size, and both comes with the nesting pieces. So you'll have ones that get smaller and smaller, and it has the stitching on here as you can see. And the paper collection I'm using is called Bunny and Blooms from Simple Stories, which is like from a long time ago. And we have this flower that is also from Scrap Diva Designs. I'll put a link on where you can get this. It's from a long time ago, like maybe a few years ago. And so this is so pretty. I did a spring theme with some butterflies and some gardening. Someone's gardening and they have their gardening hat with the butterfly here, and it says love grows here, so it's really pretty. And then it comes with this like little flowery border, which is really spring vibes, and it's so cute how I've included these bunnies here, and it says Happy Easter. And these flowers are from my stash. So these are the flower nesting set, and I'll put the links and also my discount code. And next up we have these this bunny mini album number 2, I believe this is called Bunny mini album number 2. That's correct. And so I've included some of those spring words that I showed you in a previous video. So it says hippity hop, and it's so cute. These rabbits are kissing, and I've put a little carrot there, so they're like sharing a carrot. They're eating a carrot. And yeah, I made it into a shaker here. As you can see, all of the pieces are kind of stuck to the one side. Here we go. And these flowers are from our stash. And you don't have to make this into a shaker. You can just use it like this. And it comes with this hinge already in place. Let's open it up. And this is the part that I cut out from here, and you can reuse it. I've backed it up with some foam here to make it more dimensional, and I've used those spring words again. Welcome, oh hello. You can write little messages here, and you can probably draw a face if you like. And then here we see a bunny border, which I'll show you more examples of what I did. And this is another one of those spring release, the April release that was part of, March release. And so is this bunny border, and I have more projects of this bunny border to show you. And these flowers are coming from the 3D egg pocket. And here's another of those spring words called spring. And yeah, this bunny border is so cute. So I made it into a pocket. I made it into a bag topper, and I also decorated a memo note with this bunny border. So it's really cute. It's really great decorating embellishment die set that has many purposes that you can do. And so I've included all these little notes that you can write during spring. Here are some spring favorites that this checklist you can check off. And so so I've just added it into this bunny border that turned into a slot or a pocket. And then here's those stamps. These stamps, really adorable. It's from the ticket set, also from the March release, and this is called the ticket stamp set that I showed you in the previous video, so it's like perfect for this video, which is like Easter related, spring related. And yeah, let's move on to the next page. And I've made this one that you can fill out more stuff here, and all the other words that I haven't used, I've added it onto this page. And I thought this was like a great idea. These bunny slimline bunnies that I showed you in the previous video, you can make these into like bookmarks, so or use these as bookmarks. I thought that it was great for your mini album, so I didn't glue the top part of these pages, so you could like slot these in like this, like a bookmark. It's so cool. Look how you could even just make it as a bookmark for your books, your novels, or whatever you're reading. You can still make it a bookmark. You can even like maybe punch out a hole if you have a hole puncher and add a tassel in the middle here. So I thought that would be neat. And so I'm just gonna show you the rest of the slimline bunnies, how you can slot these in like a bookmark. So you could just put it like this too. I mean, in the pockets or just like in your book. So here's another bunny that I put, and then here's the biggest slimline bunny. And so yeah, I'm just slotting them through here like this. And then look at that, they're all like lined up together like this. It's so cute. I thought that was neat. And so this is the bunny mini album. And so here are some more projects of the slimline bunny, the bunny borders. So I've taken a note. You can also make these into notes itself. You just need to like cut a little bit further down like this into a square. And these bunny borders are like longer, so it's like 8 bunnies. And it looks like this. I just cut it in half, so it's like so many uses. So you can see here, I've like have like 6. Like I probably cut off the ends here to make it like fit this page. So yeah, so it's this long. It's originally it was this long like this. So I cut it in half and I made this very pretty memo note that you can add into the album too, or you can put it in a goodies basket, which I'm gonna do as well. I'll show you how. So you can put that in there, and then I'll show you the bunny basket later. And here I made it into a bag topper, and I've added those spring words here, so extra. And here I've did some more eggs. These fringe eggs are also from the March release, so I did some more eggs here with these really cute embellishments. This one says hunting for eggs in full bloom, lovely. I put it in a bag, and then this bag topper, what I did was I just like I did this, like I've cut out this piece and made this piece a little bit longer, and then I just did an accordion fold like this, and then I put some double-sided tape at the back of here, and then I taped it on, and then just clamped it on like this, if you could see. So that's another example of what you can do with this bunny border. It's so cute. It's a bag topper, and then a memo. And so I'm gonna show you the next project. Next project is this one. This one is so adorable. This bunny jelly tote. Look how cute this bunny jelly tote is. This bow is from my stash, and it comes with everything you see here except for the bow. And so it's so cute. Oh my goodness. And you can even make this side and the back like this. So you have the option this time to not punch out the holes. So I just showed you here. So the stencil is like in between. You can place it once you cut out or during, but I prefer to like adjust it after I cut out the solid piece, and then you can put the piece, the stencil, the die that has these holes in there, and then put a washi tape, or you can just do the washi tape whichever way you feel. So yeah, this is so great, and it's so cute. Look at the ears. You could probably make a handle or something, but this is already great to hold on to like this. And so I have that bag topper with all the goodies in here you can put. So I'm just showing you what you can put in there. This memo note, you can put this one here and gift this basket. And you can put chocolates, candies, stationery in here, stickers. Yeah, just love this. It's so cute, cute, cute. And finally, I have these Fringe Tulip. They're so pretty. I love these Fringe Tulips. They're like so, so pretty. So they have a small, medium, and large size here. And this one says love, and I put a butterfly here, and it's like flying around the tulip. And then we have a little bunny here, and she's like peeking behind this tulip. It's like my friend Diane's like saying she's like peekaboo rabbit, peekaboo rabbit behind the tulip. And this one says shine. And then finally we have this one out in the garden, and it has a hummingbird getting some pollen from the flowers, or nectars from the flower. And here it is. So pretty. So these are all my spring Easter project shares for Scrap Diva Designs. You could find all these die sets down. I've listed all, I'm going to list all the links down below in the description box. And also my discount code for 10% off is Prisgemic10. It's also in the description box below. And also I'll put my affiliated link as well. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Toodaloo!